guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, I can understand your feelings because I know you all have been learning English for a long time, but you are not improving. I used to do same what you are doing nowadays because earlier I used to watch so many videos, I used to read so many books, and I used to cry that what should I do? How can I become fluent English? I have been learning English for 6 months, 1 year, but I am not improving. I learn, I forget. I learn, I forget. That was going on with me. So guys, I can understand. That time I didn't have anyone who could guide me. But now I am here. I can guide you guys because I have learned English by myself. So what I have observed, what I am going to give you. You guys don't have to do anything. I'm not going to say that you have to write so many structure and words. You have to do practice a lot more and more. No, 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 no. I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to make you fluent English with easy way. How? Let's start. How? Guys, you have learned tenses and some basic words, so it's enough for you to practice. So guys, first thing first, don't make yourself uncomfortable with this language. This is a language. People just make you fool that, oh, in order to speak this language, in order to become this fluent in English, you have to learn idiom, phrases, so many fancy words. And if you don't have environment, you are not going to learn English. If you don't have any teacher, if you don't practice, you are not going to become fluent. But guys, see myself. I am example. I'm like example for you that do anything. I didn't practice. I didn't learn so many things, but I can speak. How? Because I have made this language easy for me. That is why I am able to speak. I don't do anything. I just use whatever I know. Suppose I know all the tenses, so I practice all my tenses. How? Narrating a story, asking question, and whatever happened to me, I just describe. Whatever is going on around me, I can describe. So guys, just create an environment for you, and just whatever you observe, you just speak. I'm not going to say you have to speak like 1 hour, 2 hours, like whole day. No, no, no. Whenever you get time, even while doing work, you can practice. And of course, if you are not able to speak in front of so many people, you feel shy, don't do this. At least you can think in your mind, because thinking process is really very important. Because earlier I used to think, I didn't speak in front of people because I was also a shy person. Even I was too much shy, more than you. But I didn't care about anyone. I just thought, okay, let other people what they think. I'm not going to stop what if they are saying that, okay, Gyanan, you should not learn English, and why are you learning English? It is hard not to crack for you. And they used to say so many things. They just like used to pull my leg down, but I didn't care about anyone. Earlier I used to think, I so much like after taking dinner, when I like went to bed, and I used to think in my mind, okay, today I got up early in the morning, I got fresh, then I go there, I went there, I did this, I do that, like this. So today I'm going to tell you how to practice in English. So for that I'm going to tell you one in simple story, and after that I will tell you how to ask question and how to reply. So this thing can make you fluent English. Just believe in this. If I don't know, like if you are running, so if you are running after so off, like okay, until any person like most of them, like you just think that, okay, this person is wearing suit and tie and like suit, he can make me fluent English, and his channel is growing well, he has like so many subscriber and view, so he can make me fluent English. Guys, this is your like delusion. Just believe in my just believe in such kind of videos. This basic videos can make you fluent English. But don't, I know so many of you just that they just run after showing off, like where they find so many subscriber and million views, they go for there. This is not gonna work for you. Telling you, this is like real, this is genuine. I have learned English by myself, so that I'm going, that is why I'm also telling you. Then I can understand, because earlier I used to cry. I'm not going to let you cry. I will tell you each and every technique so that you can become fluent English easily. So let's start. So I'm going to tell one story, and after that I will ask question and reply, so that you can also do the same, and by this way you can become fluent in English. So yesterday I was watching TV, and I was watching a horror movie. Suddenly someone knocked the door. I went towards the door. I opened the door, but there was no one at the door. I closed the door. I came into my room and again started watching TV. After half an hour, again I heard walking sound from the roof. I went upstairs, but I saw there was no one up on the roof. Then I got surprised. I came downstairs. Again I started watching TV. And my mobile was on the table. It started ringing. I received the call, but nobody was there. I again got shocked that, okay, someone knocked the door, but there was no one. Someone was walking on the roof, but there was no one. Someone calling me, but there was no one on the call. रुको जाए दिन का
चलो.
So guys, I was scared that what's going on nowadays, because no one at the door, nobody was at the door, nobody was on the roof, nobody was on the call. Then I didn't care. I just started watching TV, and after 1 hour again someone knocked the door, and when I opened the door, that time there was a beautiful girl at the door. Seeing her, I got surprised. Then I asked, "Hey, ma'am, who are you?" She said, "Actually, I'm new here. I'm a stranger here. Actually, my car broke down. That is why I need a shelter at your home." I said, "Okay, of course, you can come inside. You can stay at my home this night." She got happy. She came inside, and then I asked, "Hey, ma'am, what would you like to have?" She said, "Okay, make a cup of tea for me." Then I said, "Okay." Then I went into the kitchen. I made a cup of tea. Then I came, and she was not there. I said, "Hey, ma'am, where are you?" She said, "I'm here, but I said, I can't see you. Where are you?" She said, I'm behind you." Then I turned around and I saw, but there was no one. Then I again said, "Ma'am, I can't see you." She said, "Actually, no, I'm not a girl. I'm a ghost. I will kill you." Then I got scared and I just ran out of my home. But as soon as I went towards the door was closed, and I tried to open the door, but it wouldn't open. Then I got scared. I thought, "Oh my God, what should I do?" Then I saw that lady putting her hair in front of her face. She was walking towards me. Seeing her, I got scared. She was grueling. She was coming, and finally she caught my hand. She started dragging, and she took me to in a room, and she started choking me. And when I was about to die, then my mom came and she woke me up. Actually, I was in my dream, so I got scared. I was perspired. My mom asked, "Hey, what happened?" Then I said, "Mom, I had a nightmare." She said, "Okay, no problem. I'm with you. Don't get scared." So guys, this is a story. Now I'm going to ask question and reply by myself. Okay, so Gyanen, 2 days ago where were you? Oh, 2 days ago I was watching TV. What were you watching? I was watching a horror movie. Why were you watching a horror movie? Because I love watching horror movie. Okay, great. Could you please tell me the name of that movie? The name of that movie I don't know, but yeah, I was watching. It was a Hollywood movie. Okay, great. So okay, so when while you were watching TV, so what happened that time? Actually, someone knocked the door. So did you open the door? Yeah, of course. I went toward the door. I opened the door. So who was at the door? Actually, there was no one at the door. So what did you do? I didn't do anything. I just closed the door. Came back to my room. Then what did you do? Again I started watching TV. Oh, okay. So after that, what happened? After that, actually, I heard someone was walking on the roof. So did you go upstairs? Yes, I went upstairs. So who was at the door? Who was on the roof? No. Who was on the roof? No. Actually, there was no one on the roof. Then what did you do? I got scared. Why did you get scared? Because I thought, okay, how come I heard someone walking sound, but no one was on the roof, no one at the door. So what's going on? So what did you do? Then I came downstairs. Then what did you do? Again I started watching TV. This time what happened? This time actually again someone knocked the door. So did you go and open the door? Yes, this time I turned off the TV. I went toward the door. I opened the door. There was beautiful. There was a beautiful girl. Okay, so what was she wearing? She was wearing red sari. Oh, Seeing her, what did you do? Seeing her, I got shocked, and she was looking gorgeous. So what did she say? Actually, when I asked, hey ma'am, who are you? She said, actually, I'm here. I'm a travel. Actually, my car broke down. So did you believe her? Did you believe in her? Yes, I believed in her. So then what did you do? Like I let her come inside. Then okay, when she came inside, so what did you do? Then I asked, what would you like to have? So then what did she say? She said, I would like to take tea. So did you make tea? Yes, I made tea. After making tea, what did you do? After making tea, when I came like there, I didn't see that girl. So what did you do? Then I got scared. I called her so many times. So then what did she see? She started laughing. She said, I'm here. I'm not a girl. I ghost. So what did you do? I got scared. Then what did you do? Then I like tried to run away from there. So did you like run from there? No. Actually, the door was closed. Wait. Then I tried to run away from there. So did you did you manage to save your life? No. Actually, that girl started coming towards me, like putting her hair in front of her face. And so what did you do? I got scared. She was laughing. She said, I will kill you. I will kill you. Then what did you do? Did you run? No. I didn't. I couldn't run. She like caught my hand and she started dragging inside. So what did she do? Then she started choking me. So did you die? No. Actually, then my mom came and she woke me up, and it was not real. Actually, it was my dream. Oh, so when you woke up, so what did you do? I got a sigh of relief. I thought, oh my God, today I was going to die. Then my mom saved my life. Okay, so guys, this is a story. I would like, actually I wanted to show you how to ask question, how to reply, how to narrate a story. If you know some basic structure and story like what, you can speak anything like me. I will guide you guys. Don't worry, I will make you fluent English. Just follow my channel. And thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will make so many videos like this. So guys, thank you so much. Bye.